Here we have a 2005 Jeep Rubicon. This thing is in great shape, and the customer decided not to take this thing to the junkyard. This thing has some severe frame rust. Let me show you what's going on underneath here. The frame is completely rotted through. So your only option here is to replace the frame or repair it. And you can go to a junkyard and try to find a frame for this, but chances are the ones you find are going to look just like this. And to replace the frame, it would cost you so much more money than to have it repaired. Here's the view from underneath. There is just nothing left of this frame. So now we're going to jump ahead to the frame that's been cleaned up and ready for the new parts. I put the lower frame rail on there just so you guys can see how it goes. But before you do that, you have to cut out all that old rust and spray a really good rust protectant in there. Now all the new parts are on and this thing is ready to be welded. But before you weld it, you have to make sure it's square to the other side of the vehicle or it's just not going to go down the road straight. Now that the frame has been fully welded back together, it got a really good rust proofing sprayed on it. This is a really good product, and I guarantee it's going to outlast the entire Jeep. It's a little shiny right now, but when it dries, it'll be a really nice factory-looking matte finish. All right, this thing is all back together, and it looks great. Everything has been assembled with all new hardware. The center skid plate was cleaned up, and that has new hardware too. All the lower suspension components have new hardware. And when you look inside the wheelhouse, the frame looks great. Everything looks new. And after taking it for a test drive, it goes down the road nice and straight with no clunky noises. All the fuel lines and brake lines are right back where they're supposed to be. Everything looks nice and original. This Jeep is ready for the road again. If you need rust repair, give me a call at 267-276-5814. Thanks for watching the video, everyone.